Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nur Rahma Ika Wati, a student of Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University Malang with the number of students to 10603110085. Majoring in Chemistry, Faculty of Science and Technology. Coagulation and flocculation. Coagulation is the addition of chemicals to destabilize the electrostatic forces of non-soluble solids. Coagulant chemicals typically have a positive charge which binds to the negatively charged particles in water, neutralizing them and allowing them to come together to form small clumps of particles called microfloc. In most cases, the chemical reaction occurs in a fraction of a second, so it's important the coagulant is dispersed quickly and able to encourage as many particles collisions as possible. Because this process relies on chemical reaction, several considerations must be made. Water temperature, for example. Cold water usually shows coagulation and flocculation reaction, which might require more time to achieve optimal flux formation. Extreme values of pH high or low will also interfere with the process. Coagulant effectiveness is highly dependent on pH. For some coagulants, alkalinity is a factor. Operators may need to raise alkalinity for coagulation to be effective. When using iron or aluminum coagulants that can consume alkalinity and depress pH when they are added to low alkalinity waters. Turbidity is also important. The lower the turbidity, the more difficult it is to form proper floc. The most common coagulant chemical used is aluminum sulfate, commonly called alum. When added to water, alum form jelly-like particles of aluminum hydroxide. The trivalent aluminum ions neutralize and attach to negatively charged particles in water, forming microfloc. Alum works best in a pH range of 5.5 to 7.5. Polyaluminum chloride and iron salts such as ferric chloride and ferric sulfide are also used. They operate over a wider pH range. Coagulant as flocculants aids are added to improve binding with stronger, more suitable floc and affect flocculation by increasing floc ice strength or flow density. In addition, they help overcome the effect of low temperatures, reduce the amount of coagulant needed, and reduce the amount of fluid produced. Commonly used coagulant aids include cationic polymers and definite as synthetic compounds with high molecular weight and composed of repeating chemicals units or monomers polymers. Maybe polyelectrolytes such as the water-soluble flocculants, water-insoluble ion exchange reactions, or insoluble uncharged materials. Polymers are long chains of molecules that produce highly charged ions and help bind co-floc together into large floc particles. They are very popular with operators because they are very effective and can be positive, negative, or neutral to charge, providing a great deal of flexibility in different circumstances. Some explanation from me about the coagulation and flocculation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.